the path where shadows crawl. The trees whispered secrets, she heard them all. Her steps were soft, the ground did weep, but packed with wolves, a bond so deep. The witch who spoke with wolves at night, under the moon her soul took flight. Blood and instinct, nature's call, she heard their voices, she felt it all. She felt it all. Fangs in the dark, a gleam in her eyes. Her laughter sharp, it pierced the skies. A twisted hymn, the forest swayed, the wolves howled back, their debts repaid. Not love, not hate, but something wild, a beast's own heart, a feral child. The witch who spoke with wolves at night, under the moon her soul took flight. Blood and instinct, nature's call, she heard their voices, she felt it all. She felt it all. The river's right.